Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a really fun and easy card to show you, and this is an interactive card and it has a little secret in it. So first I'm starting off with this cute stamp set by Grizzly Design called Take Another Shot. It has this cute Polaroid and the Polaroid camera as well. And I'm grabbing this Planner Girl Cozy Girl by Unity Stamp to just stamp right in my Polaroid here. And I'm putting the stamp right onto my acrylic block, but before I stamp, I'm gonna grab my purple tape by Thermoweb to do some masking so that the stamp does not go into the frames, but just the inside portion. So just mask the sides and the bottom of the Polaroid. Then I'm grabbing my Gina K amalgam ink here to ink up my stamp and just ink it right in the middle of the Polaroid. Just press firmly and ta-da! Remove all the purple tape to reveal the girl right in the picture frame. It is magic! And I'm going to color her up right about now. So here you go. I don't want to bore you with the coloring. And next I'm going to show you how to create the secret DIY pocket using some Amy Tangerine Finders Keepers pattern paper here. I'm just gonna cut it into size to fit my A2 size card. For the background, just adhere that right onto your card base. So to create the secret pocket, you need to cut a pattern paper that is right about the camera size, as you can see, that will fit right across the card. So I'm just flipping the camera to the reverse side and just putting the Polaroid just to measure where I should put my foam adhesive. And here I'm just going to create a base for the pocket so that when you slide in and out, the Polaroid is not going to move past that section. And just flip it over to see where exactly the Polaroid should be to create the channel or the secret pocket right behind. So basically you want to create a reversed U here so that there's a pocket for the Polaroid to slide in and out. I'm just adding more foam tape to the sides for the entire piece here. So remove all the foam adhesive and place your camera right in the middle of card, and that is your secret pocket right behind the camera where your Polaroid will slide in and out easily. So this is kind of cool and an interactive card that you can create for yourself just using some foam adhesive. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!